Hi, I'm Zoe. Welcome to She Code, the 12-week course that unlocks your body's natural ability to rebalance your hormones. I've taken my many years of clinical experience and the protocol that I use successfully with my one-to-one clients, and I've created this course to help more women like you who are struggling with PMS, painful, heavy or irregular periods, mood swings, acne and more. Unfortunately for women, the signs of hormone imbalances are often dismissed as normal when they're absolutely not. I will empower you to take control of your hormone health and help free you from the difficult symptoms you're struggling with. And I'm looking forward to showing you how. She Code will teach you how to implement healthy habits that will nourish and support your hormonal health, helping you to tackle your hormonal symptoms at the level of root cause. It's a 12-module course which you can do over 12 weeks or at your own pace, with video masterclasses, resources, recipes, live group calls with me, and a supportive members-only community. I make the science bit easy. I'll explain what's happening in your body during your cycle, why the changes you're making will help you, and give you the tools you need to make the simple changes that will have the biggest impact on the way you feel. 12 modules will give you all the information, inspiration, structure and tools you need to make the simple but impactful lifestyle and diet changes that will support your health transformation. Each module contains easy-to-watch video masterclasses with doable action steps that you can start implementing straight away. You will then build upon these week to week. It also includes easy-to-use downloadable resources, including shopping lists and recipes to support your journey. This means from day one, you can be making the changes that will start to have a significant impact on your health and well-being. Module 1 contains the basics that you absolutely need to know to understand your hormones and your monthly cycle. Plus, the most important, first, foundational food principle, the framework you absolutely must put into practice before you do anything else. In Module 2, you'll learn about how stress impacts your female sex hormones, the importance of sleep and how to improve yours, and the medicinal drinks that will help you to rebalance your hormones and ease your symptoms. Module 3 tells you what food and drinks to cut back on and why, how to get enough calcium in your diet without dairy, and a resource to help you make hormone-friendly food swaps when you do your food shop. Module 4 is all about the magic of mindfulness, why it's so important to commit to a daily meditation practice, and how to practice mindful eating. Module 5, you'll learn about key functional and medicinal hormone balancing foods and the role of the liver in female hormonal balance. In Module 6, we cover more functional and medicinal hormone balancing foods, which will help you balance your hormones and feel your best. Module 7 is a beauty product and home detox. You'll discover how to make your environment work for your hormonal health rather than against it. Module 8, we delve into the power of your breath and digital boundaries. Module 9, we focus on improving your gut health for hormonal balance. Module 10 is all about using natural supplements and botanical medicines to rebalance your hormones. Module 11 helps you understand your symptoms and pimp your period. Module 12 will help you turn down the volume on your inner critic and stick to the stress-reducing rituals going forwards that will help you build upon and sustain your results from She Code. Every 2 weeks, there'll be a live group Q&A session with me to answer your burning questions. Plus, there's a members-only online community where you can share your experiences with and get support from the other women who are going through the same things as you. I want to make sure you're getting all you need to feel empowered as you make these changes in your life. My goal is to support you in feeling nourished, healthy, and happy, no matter what time of the month it is. So, if you're ready for your life to change, join She Code today, and I'll see you very soon.